But for the subsidiary, we have to go ahead and take our share of that impairment. And what share are we taking? We are taking our 80% because that is our ownership in the subsidiary. And it is 80% of what? 80% of the total goodwill impairment. That was 15%. So let me remove the negative because that 15 already has a negative. So it is 80% of that total impairment. And what are we getting there? Negative 12, like that. Now, with all this now into consideration, let me just put it to 2 decimal. Is it 2 decimal or 1 decimal place? 1 decimal is okay, like that. I think I've considered everything that will affect our retained earnings at reporting, unless there is something I'm leaving out. We started with the total retained earnings closing, then I've looked at the share of PAP for subsidiary and associate. It will affect retained earnings, yes. UPS, yes, we sold fake profit, we've recognized and knocked it off, good. Impairment, we've taken our share the same way NCI have taken. I don't think if there is something else that we are leaving out. Let me look at the additional informations. No, they were only those ones. There is nothing else affecting the value of that. Retained earnings, we've picked the correct thing, 278. So I think this should give us the net effect. And the net effect is what we should call retained earnings at reporting.